I am Filipino, born of freedom. I am Catholic. I love church, not bar. I speak Tagalog in English. I have president, not prime minister. I have pesos, not dollars. One of the hotspots in Southeast Asia, where the nature of servants came from. We pronounce it
Filipino, not Filipino.
I am Realin.
I am Francis.
I am Donica. And we are Filipino.